Hello everyone. Let's make today a wonderful another day. Welcome to Plants Crochet Cooking and more. So as you can see, this is the balcony corner that I will be decorating or renovating, whatever you may say. So let's start off. I've just cleaned this. First I thought of coloring it with white paint, and then my husband and daughter suggested that this wooden finish is going to look better on the white background. So I'm keeping it like this, and I'm going to decorate it with plants. So I'll go and fetch the plants first and then get back to you. So this, may I tell you, is the wandering dude. I have it in a planter. It's grown quite good. Let me put it here. Then here. Now this is the syngonium, the pink and green variety. My cousin had given this to me. My next set of plants, ribbon plant, the Boston fern. This is the calendula that has bloomed. Let me place this first in the second shelf. With a bird. And maybe a showpiece here. Now let's get on to the third shelf. Getting on with the next shelf, I have this tortoise. My sister had given this to me as a birthday gift. So I'm going to place it right here. The tortoise. And my daughter had drawn this one, a boho painting. It's on a plywood. Place it here. And again, maybe a spider plant. I can put it here. How about this tangled hearts? A gift from my cousin. Tangled hearts can go in here or maybe here. I'll put this here. Tangled heart. This one can go here. What do you think? This is it, and now I'm going to go to the last shelf. Let's begin with the succulents. And now the succulents. Remember earlier I planted these small succulents on these plastic containers. I'm going to place these here. And a wandering dude again, different color. Another interesting thing I would like to show you. I recently had gone to Kursham, and that's my hometown. So I've got these as a gift from my friend. These are all succulents, and see how beautifully he has placed all these things. This is in a bottle, and the succulents. This is one, this is another one. This he has done it on a piece of wood, and this seems like a trunk. He has placed the succulents here as well. I'll give a closer view later. Let me place these first. He owns this nursery by the name of Sandy's Garden. If you happen to visit Kursham, you can just visit that place. He has a collection of these plants, and Kushang video is coming up very soon. You'll get to see that in that video as well. So stay connected. And now the last thing that I will do is I remove this plant because I think it needs sunlight. And I've kept another plant, that is the begonia, that is also given to me by Sandeep. And then finally this one. So let me give you a closer view now. Well, this is how I have decorated my balcony corner. I hope you liked it. Now quickly let's go on to prepare a simple dish, a vegetarian dish using the peel of parwal. The parwal that I had bought was about 250 grams and I am using the peel of that parwal. I am boiling it in water with a little bit of salt. Here I am roasting 2, or if it's a big one, 1 red chili, the dry red chili, and a teaspoon of kalo jeera, that is the kalonji or the onion seeds. Dry roasting it on a low flame and then letting it to cool down. Here the peel is cooked well. You can just pierce one and see if it cuts properly. If it does, then it is cooked. Now the kalonji and the red chili is to be made into a fine powder. Do this only after it has cooled down completely. Next step will be to put the peel that have been cooked into this jar and grind it again along with the kalonji red chili powder. Remember to add a little bit of water when you grind this. So here our paste is ready. Now let's get on to the next step. Take a very small onion. If it's a medium sized onion, take half of that or maybe even a quarter of that, and 6 garlic cloves, and make it into small, mince it into small fine pieces. You do the same thing with the onion as well. Now in the meanwhile, let me heat the karai and add oil into it. Mustard oil is to be used in this case, about 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Let it get heated up while I'll chop the onions. The oil is hot. Now I'm going to put this into the hot oil and fry it till it liberates a wonderful aroma. You know that garlic will liberate its aroma, and that is the time when you will add the ground paste into it. Fry this for quite some time on a medium flame till you see that the water dries up, and then you add the spices. For spices, you will add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, haldi powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, lal mirch powder. Then you will add half a teaspoon of salt. I'm adding half teaspoon salt because while boiling the the parwal peel, I had added salt into the water. If need be, you can add salt later, but right now stick to half a teaspoon of salt and fry this for some time, and then add a pinch of sugar into it. This will enhance the taste of it, and then give it a good stir. Keep frying it on a medium flame till you get this paste. This is called bata actually. It is called parwal peel bata, or we say potoler chocha bata. Chocha means the peel. So this is it. You can taste the salt right now. If need be, you add some more and then fry it for some more time. This tastes awesome with steamed rice. Hot steamed rice and this bata. It is awesome, simply awesome. Next time, please don't throw this peel. Give this a try. I'm sure you all are going to love it. And yes, of course, as always, like, comment and share. This is a request to all of you. And if you are new, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye-bye.